Welcoming, cozy and warm. The community space in general, it's a space where people get together, drink a nice cup of coffee, but also have lunch, have a small team gathering or even an event. It's really nice to be here. And we also notice this from our colleagues. The collaboration was really nice. So we had a regular contact. We also had a good communication, especially with the people on site, which was necessary. And then together with all our construction meetings, IT meetings and whatever, I think the collaboration was very nice and also very clear. Also during the design phase, we had a good collaboration. We had a lot of visuals or plans, and whenever we needed an adaptation, the work was done. The typical day in a project doesn't exist. Something happened or you saw something and you had to take contact and you had to call, and then your whole agenda was flipped over. The only thing that was fixed still were the meetings. For me, definitely the temporary move of our colleagues to the fourth floor, because we had the idea that we could continue to work on one space of the floor whilst there were construction works going on the other side of the floor, and luckily it became very clear very soon in the project that this wasn't feasible. We only had positive feedback. All the colleagues were surprised when they saw the new space. They moved to a temporary space for 4 months. So I think employees were a little bit afraid to hope for too much, and then the surprise was all the bigger.